Yes, Hannah. Hannah. So today we have to learn HCF. We have completed LCM, right?
Yeah.
Now let's start LCM. The full form is
Lowest common multiple.
lowest or we can say least, है ना? Lowest or least common multiple, right?
Yeah.
As you can see here, there are three words, right? The first is lowest, second is common, and the third one is multiple, है ना? Okay. Now first see here the word multiple. What do you mean by the word multiple?
Multiple is like a number which like
When we multiply the natural number with a number,
a number that multiplies a bigger number without any remainder.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't understand what you said. Can you please repeat?
A number which which can divide any number without a remainder.
Yes, in this way we can also say that, na? Ki when a number divide another number without leaving a remainder, then we can say that ki that remainder will be the multiple of the previous number, है ना? Such as कि 4 is completely divisible by 2, right? है ना? Remainder will be 0. So here we can say that कि 4 will be the multiple of 2 and 2 will be the factor of 4, right? है ना? Yes. Similarly, we can say that कि when we multiply the counting numbers with a number, okay, with a number, then the product which we will get, that will be known as the multiple of that number, okay? Such as कि here we are writing 2 2 2 2 again, okay, and we are multiplying the 2 with the counting numbers, okay, we are multiplying the 2 with counting numbers, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 like this each time. Now we will get in the first one 2 as a product, 4 as a product in the second, 6 as a product in the third, in the fourth it will be 8 as a product, in fifth we will get 10 as a product, in sixth we will get 12 as a product, and so on, है ना? So the number which you are seeing here, these are the multiples of 2. These will be known as the multiple of 2, right? So let's take an example. 8 and 4, let be 12, okay, let it be 12. So here, as there are two numbers, okay, first we have to multiply, we have to write the multiples, we have to write its multiples, okay, multiple of 8 and 12. So we will try to write first 10 multiples, है ना? We, as here we are learning, so we will try to write first 10 multiples of 8. Can you please tell me first 10 multiples of 8? It will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, okay, 64, है ना? 8 8 just 64, okay. Next one 72 and 80, very good, है ना? Okay. Now can you please tell me first 10 multiple of 12? 12, 24, 36, 38, 60, 72, okay, 84, 96,
104,
4 or 8?
108,
8, okay. 108 and
120.
120, okay. So these are the multiples of 8 and 12, right? We have done for multiple, right? Now let's come to the word common. Common means which is similar in both one, है ना? Which is similar or same in both, right? So here we will write the common multiple. Common multiple of 8 and 12. Can you find the common multiple of 8 and 12?
24.
Okay, the first one is 24,
48.
48,
That's it.
okay na? 24, 48, it will be continue. We can say that, okay, till infinity. And here again it will continue multiple till infinity for 8 and also for 12, right? Now as you can see here, see the letter or the word lowest. Lowest means smallest, है ना? Lowest means the smallest one, right? है ना? So now see here, lowest common. We have to see the lowest number which is common multiple of 8 and 12. Lowest common multiple of 8 and 12, okay? 8 and 12. So here we have find the multiple. Among that we find the common multiples. Now among the common multiple, can you see which one is the lowest number or the smallest number? 24. So that will be the LCM or lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. Is it clear? So did you understand the meaning of lowest common multiple? Is there any doubt? The meaning is already hidden in the name, है ना? It should be multiple. What type of multiple? So common multiple. Now among the common multiple we have to select the lowest one, okay? So that will be our answer or LCM, है ना? That will be the, in short we can say that LCM of 8 and 12. Is it clear?
Yes.
है ना? So please note down it. Yes, here 72 is also one of the common multiple, है ना? We skipped it. So here we can write also 72, okay? But same, the lowest common multiples will be 24, right? है ना? And we can find more common multiples, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Yes. अच्छा हाँ ना, tell me, as here we find the LCM, right? And this is the one of the method, है ना, to find LCM. Can you name the method? Which method is this?
Listing method.
Listing method. Very good, है ना? It's too simple. By name you can see here कि listing, right? LISTING, है ना? Listing method. Okay. So here we can say that कि it is listing method to find the LCM. Okay. How we will know? There are three methods to find the LCM, right? So many times we confused on them, है ना? But by name we can easily understand or learn that कि here it is written listing. It's meant कि we have to list it, है ना? We have to list it. As here we are listing the multiples of 8 and 12. As here we are listing the common multiples. And among that we have find the list common multiple, right? है ना? So this will be known as the listing method to find LCM. Is it clear? So in methods, what we can say? Methods to find LCM. Okay, so there are how many methods?
3.
3. Yes, the first one is, yes, first is listing method, second
factorization
prime factorization, very good,
and
factorization method, and the next one is
factor 3.
factor or division
Division
method है ना, it is division method. Okay, which one is also known as
long division.
long, हाँ, the same division method or long division same है ना. The another name is ladder method. The another name is ladder method है ना, ladder method. Okay, the listing we have already done it, right? Just now we have done for listing.
Yeah.
Now we will see for prime factorization. Okay, so here we will do for prime factorization method. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see here. Take the same question. Okay, LCM for 8 and 12. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to prime factorize है ना, the steps or the how we have to find it, how we have to do it, it is already hidden in the name. As here it is written prime factorization, it's mean we have to do prime factorize है ना for 8 and 12. So now let's do it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 2 4 ja 8, and then 2 2 ja 4, right? 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so here in 8 what we can write, keyten is written as 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 2 to the power 3, right? Now we will do for 12. So here 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. So here 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3, that will be 2 to the power 2 into 3. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay now what we have to do, LCM है ना, LCM will be, here we have to take the number which has highest power. Okay, we have to take all factors, we have to take every factor है ना, every prime factor. In that every prime factor we have to select the highest power. Okay, highest power of the prime factor. So here you can see कि in 8 there is only one prime factor, that is 2, and in 12 there are two prime factors which are 2 and 3. There are two factors na, 2 and 3. Okay, prime factor है ना, that is 2 and 3. So here we will take in LCM, we will take both 2 and 3, but we have to take the highest power of 2 and highest power of 3. Which one is the highest power of 2? 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 2?
3.
2 to the power 3, and here for 3 it is 1, that's 3 है ना. So now it will be 2 to the power 3 means 8 into 3, it will be 8 3s are 24, that will be the answer. Too simple, right है ना. Okay, in HCF we takes the common factors है ना, but in LCM we have to take all factors, all prime factors which has which has the highest power. Okay, is it clear? So this point you have to take while you are finding the HCF and while you are finding the LCM. In HCF we take only common factors, right? But in HCM, LCM we take all prime factors which has highest power, with highest power, है ना, sorry, all prime factor with their highest power. Is it clear? Whether they are common or not, it will not affect our answer. Okay, just we have to take the prime factor with the highest power. Is it clear? Please note down it. Now we will do the same question by division method or ladder method. Okay, see Hannah. Now we will do for our third method, which is division method, है ना, or this is also known as ladder method. Yes, ladder method. Okay, now we will do for same for 8 and 12, LCM for 8 and 12. Okay, let's see how we will do. 8 12, we have to divide it togetherly, है ना, we have to divide it.
I know how to do this. I know how to do this.
Oh, okay, so do you want to try it? Okay, sure, first try it by yourself, है ना. Yeah, so you have done it correct, good, है ना. Now let's see what we have to do. We have to take here common divisor, right, है ना, and
Oh.
we will do it will be 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 6 are 12. Again we can take 2, है ना. It should be at least divide at least 2 numbers, है ना. If there will be more than 2 numbers, then the divisor should be divide at least 2 number, right? Okay, so here it will be 2 2 are 4 and 2 3 are 6. So now as you can see, 2 and 3 we can't divide it now, we will leave it as it is. Okay, so LCM will be LCM of, yes, 8 and 12 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You can do it directly, है ना. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. Otherwise you can do it like this, 2 to power 3 into 3. Here it will be 8 into 3, so it will be 24. Is it clear?
Yes.
Always mention each and every steps. Okay, so do you want to note down it? If you, oh acha, you have already done it na. Okay, just wait a minute. Now you have to try a question. Okay, find the LCM, find the LCM for 12 and 16 by all three methods, okay. But before it, just give me an answer for a question that this one we have already discussed in the last class for HCF. So now I think you can tell it as a CF. Oh, you got it. Okay, same as here, it's lowest common multiple, right? Why we find for lowest common multiple only? Why we didn't find for, why we not find for highest common multiple?
Since there are infinite numbers.
Yes, because the multiple are infinites. So similarly common multiples will be infinite, है ना. So the highest common multiple is not possible to find, right, है ना. It will be not defined. Okay, so that's why in multiple we find the lowest common multiple, and in factor we find the highest common factor, because lowest common factor for each one will be 1, right, है ना. And highest common multiple for each one will be not defined. Okay, or you can say infinity. Is it clear? ठीक है. Yeah, now let's see here, find the LCM of 12 and 16 by all three methods. Similarly, this is your classwork. Now there is a homework for you. Till that, please note down it. Okay, let me acha, one more point, we can also use a different method, okay, that is using greatest common divisor, using greatest common divisor, using GCD, greatest common divisor, or HCF, both are same, highest common factor. By using highest common factor, we can also find the LCM. Let's see here, there is a formula कि HCF into LCM of two number is equal to the product of that two number. Please note down it, okay? HCF and LCM, the product of LCF and LCM of a two number, it will be equal to the product of the two number, okay? Is it clear? है ना? Just like 8 and 12, we were doing for 8 and 12 na? The highest common factor for 8 and 12 is 4, right? It is 4. So highest common factor will be 4 into LCM equal to, the first number is 8 multiply the second number is 12. So LCM will be 8 into 12. This 4 will come in the denominator when it will go in the right hand side. So here it will be like this, 4. Now we have to solve it. See here, 4 2 ja 8. So LCM equal to 2 into 12, which will be 24. Is it clear?
Yes.
This is also another method to find LCM. This method is, we can say that, using highest common factor, okay? This formula is very, very important formula, okay? So please remember it. First note down it and then do for this one and show me, okay? And let's take the homework for HCF of 12 and 15. Find the LCM and HCF. Find HCF and LCM for 12 and 15 by all three methods.
Whose book are you using?
I am just, you are saying to me, are you saying to me, or are you asking to me?
No.
Oh, okay, then okay. Okay. Find the HCF and LCM for 12 and 15 by all three methods, okay? In HCF we learned three different methods. In LCM we learned three different methods, right? You have to find the HCF of these two number by all three methods and find the LCM by all three methods, okay? So it will be total 6.
HCF and HCF
And LCM both. Okay, good. You have to do it in homework, है ना?
HCM is
This is the homework. You have to do it by yourself and submit me by 9 p.m. 9 p.m. is okay?
I think I'm going out today, so
Then submit it by tomorrow by 12 p.m. Okay? Tomorrow is okay, na? Yeah, good. This one please try now and this will be your homework, okay?